Welcome back everybody to the next installment of Budget Racers. In this episode what we were working on is trying to make an exhaust that wasn't ridiculous like running open headers was, and I'm sure you guys noticed how insanely loud it was. So what we tried to do was remove the current exhaust, which wasn't exactly hard, but we did run into a couple problems with these super thick rubber ties that were holding the exhaust on. So it actually took quite a while, and then of course trying to match different pipe sizes. We bought a header converter that took it from the 3-bolt pattern to a 2-bolt, which is what we were trying to work on, and that ended up not quite working out as well as we thought, so we sort of had to jerry-rig some stuff kind of together, but we ended up making it work. And in the meantime we also got some bucket seats, which you can see here, and we also have our camshafts that we're going to install, as well as 4-point harness seat belts, which are kind of jalopy, but they'll get the job done for now. We're going to go ahead and get that stuff installed this coming weekend. We wanted to make a quick update video so that those of you guys who have been asking, where have we been, can get an update on that, because we just had kind of life get in the way, but we're back on track and we have a lot of upgrades to do, so we're still very excited to continue this build, and we're happy to have you guys along with us.
I mean, that's just as bad as the other one was. Truthfully.
The other one was like
Get the other turn?
6 inches higher. Yeah, that one won't work.
It's solid as a rock.
I don't think that'll do the trick.
Is that working?
Yeah.
My limited tool supply is coming in handy. Solid as a rock. And then, will that muffler fit here?
It should. Dude, start it up now. This is nice exhaust.
I think that sounds way better. That's good enough for me!
I told you, just a little pipe. I told you.
Dude, I love this hanging exhaust. That's sick as shit.
This is pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
Hey, dude, this pipe's not as fuck already.
Dude, it seriously ran for like 15 seconds. So, just to give you an idea what we're doing here, we're gonna have to use coat hangers to wrap around these rubber grommets there to hold up this muffler. So we're sticking true to the Budget Racer's name.
Corey, pipe.
People are probably gonna be like, oh my god.
What state is that legal in?
Dude, so maybe my neighbors won't freak out on us for running open headers. Here, Cod.
What?
I need you to straighten that out. Dude, I love this coat hanger. Fucking. Oh! Thanks, dude. This is really heavy, dude. Trying to hold it up.
Yeah.
So at least it's like flush.
I mean, I'm not really using a zip tie, dude. I'm using a fucking coat hanger.
We have those big ass zip ties somewhere.
Dude, a zip tie would melt.
Dude, it's gonna bounce a little bit, but that's fucking alright. And if when we hit that speed bump, we'll be like. Except it'd be like, whoa, so you won't even notice.
Dude.
I think that's straight. I'm down with that. This is an exhaust on a budget right there. I really like that.
Let's ride it.
It's a lot more pleasant though, I have to say. It's not like fucking
Yeah. All that shit sucks.
Hey, Steve. Uh-oh. Struggling. Oh. Listen to that change rattle. Oh my god, when you get to the higher revs.
Dude, it's quicker.
Is it?
Yeah.
I love the smell of exhaust filling the cabin.
Yeah.
It's nice. Still moderately slow.
Dude, very. Very.
Brush guard?